Good morning, student. Welcome to Gandhi Vidya online classes. Today I teach you English class 7, chapter 1. I am here to speak. This is the topic related to environment, and here the speaker is Sevan Suzuki, and he has a great message here about the conserving the ecosystem, ecology and environmental degradation is bad condition. And in this chapter, great message for every one of you as we face the earth is in danger. And here, let's start without wasting our time. I want you have to go through a book and let's start. Hello, I am Sevan Suzuki speaking for ECO, full form, the Environmental Children's Organization. Now, speaker is Suzuki, Sevan Suzuki. Sevan Suzuki is the speaker. Now, he speaks different messages here. I'll discuss here. We are a group of 12 and 13-year-old from Canada trying to make a difference. Group of 12, 13 years old. 12 or 13 years old. And here one of the group of Canada, from Canada. So what is the difference? That is Vanessa Suti, Morgan, Gessler, Michael, Hewitt and me. We are the members. We raised all the money ourselves to come 6,000 miles to tell you. Now they collected money, this person, and miles of 1,000 miles from the long distance to teach you. Now this is the contract, this is the meeting, this is the time they are going to teach you. Now what they have come for here? To tell you, adults, you must change your way. Now they have come from 1,000 miles by spending their money to change the lifestyle. Because today's generation depends upon the children. Children are the future generation. And if they don't change, how can we change the world? Let's see. Coming here today, I have no hidden agenda. I am fighting for my future agenda. Here, agenda means a list of items that are to discuss at the formal meeting. In a meeting, some points are discussed. That is called agenda. And I am here to fighting for my future. Now, let us think about future. Yeah. Do you know? About future, let us discuss the lesson is related to the environment, lesson related to this today's earth condition and how earth is in bad condition. On this point the writer explains. So let's listen. Losing my future is not like losing an election or a few points of the stock market. I am here to speak for all generations to come. Losing means two types of losing. Like in the election you are losing means you are lost for 5 years. Maybe in his business you are lost. Lose means you will suffer a lot. But here, one more losing is losing the future. Yeah, that is not for 5 years, but for many years to come. Let's see. I am here to speak. I am Suzuki. Sevan Suzuki is speaking here. I am here to speak on behalf of starving children. First point: starving children. Let us discuss. The writers say. Starving children. You know, starving means those who don't get food. Yeah. Around the world, whose cries go unheard. Now they are suffering. They don't get food, and as they don't get food, they are suffering a lot. Yeah. The earth, many countries, they have no food to eat. First point. Here I am. I am here to speak for the countless animals dying across the planets because they have nowhere left to go. The animals, second point, animals dying. People starving, people dying, animals also dying for some reason. So let's discuss how animals are dying because of this exploitation and the torture of these animals. Let's see, second point. I am afraid to go out in the yes. I am third point. I am afraid to go out of the sun sun. Now, because of the holes in the ozone, holes in ozone. Now, ozone layer is depleting, ozone layer is damaging. Let's see. Do you know ozone layer? And the poisonous layer of gas around the earth, just like ultraviolet ray. And this ozone layer saves this radiation of the sun, and this is also depleting, this by making a hole. And because of that, our earth is in danger. I am afraid to breathe the air because I don't know what chemicals are in it. Or I fear to take breathing because pollution. And because of pollution, we are unable to survive this earth. Earth is very in danger, that means. I used to go fishing in Vancouver with my dad. Until just a few years ago, we found the fish full of cancer. Now, fish are in danger. Fish cancer. Now, not only human beings, the animals and the plants and animals also, water animals also, they are in danger. Yeah, because of the chemicals, the type of water, the animals are in danger. So here, Suzuki serves. Stellon Suzuki mean to say that the many things are in danger. Let's see. And now we hear about animals and plants going extinct. Extinct means finishing forever. Extinct means totally no longer alive. Extinct means died. Animals and birds and everything are dying, just like dinosaurs are no more in this earth. Like many tigers, they are no more. Vanishing forever means they are no more. Yeah? In my life, I have dreamed of seeing the great herds of wild animals, jungles, and rainforests full of birds and butterflies. But now, I wonder if they will ever exist for my children to see. Now, many things are destroyed day by day. You know, once upon a time, the earth had too much forest. But nowadays, day by day, human beings for the selfish sense, they are cutting down the trees. Now, no more forest. Let's see that as we enjoy now, like animals, jungles, rainforests, birds, butterflies, etc. Now writer hopes, Suzuki 7 hopes, things there. Now I wonder if they will exist for my children to see, whether my children will enjoy the forest, they will enjoy the animals, they will enjoy the birds, they will enjoy this rainforest, etc. Whether in the coming generation, coming future, they will get benefit or not. Now, Suzuki is too much worried about all this matter. Did you have to worry about these things when you were my age? Okay? Did you have to worry about these things when you were in my age? In my age, do you think that we will worry all these things? Yeah, no. At the time, we think previously too much good forest, good rain, everything was okay. But nowadays the human is very cruel to the nature. That's why everything is destroyed. Yes, right? So all this is happening before our eyes. What happening? All the point I have listeners is going to destroy. Yeah, and yet we act as if we have all the time we want and all the solutions. Yet we act as if we have all the time we want and all the solutions. We think that everything is okay. We have there no problem. Yeah? And all the solutions. We think I am only a child and I don't have all the solutions, but I want you to realize neither do you. Yeah, I am only a child. I don't have all the solutions. I have no solution of these things. But I want you to realize neither do you. Yeah, I feel now. Now the writer, the speaker, Stellon Suzuki, feel that the things are in danger and I have to do something. You have to act something that means. Very good motivational speech of Stellon Suzuki. Now what he says, you don't know how to fix the holes on your ozone layer. Means how to solve this problem. Ozone layer means the ozone layer in the sky is making a hole because of ultraviolet ray of sun coming to this, and we have cancers and all the disease, and humans are not in good condition, we are not getting good air and we are suffering a lot. So how to fulfill this? Let's see. You don't know how to bring Solomon back to a dead stream. Yeah? How to save these animals or fish, or one of the fish? How to save this fish in this bad condition? Yeah? That stream, the stream is very polluted, like the chemical. You don't know how to bring back an animal now extinct. Now, like dinosaur, like some animals that totally died and finished from the earth. How can you bring back? Is it possible? Once dinosaur is finished, they will not come. Once the tiger is finished, they will not come. How we bring back? And you can't bring back forest that once grew when there is now nature. Now, once the tiger too much tree, and now it's desert. We already got down. And how can you bring this desert to a forest? Is it possible? Is it possible to change? I can bring back the forest. Already desert. Now we in India hot desert. Sahara desert. Can you change this desert to a forest? Yeah? Is it possible? Seven Suzuki asked you the question to every one of you. If you don't know how to fix it, you don't know how to fix means change, just like you have to change. Just like animals or fish to say, just like desert to change forest once again. If you are not able to change, then please stop breaking it. Stop breaking it, stop polluting. Stop killing the trees, stop killing, polluting the environment, stop this animal life, stop the bird's life, stop this fish life. This is a great message. Here you may be delegates of your comments. Yeah? You may be delegates of your government, business people, organizer, reporters, politicians. But really your mothers and fathers, brothers and sisters, aunts, uncles, and all of you are somebody's child. Yeah? You may be delegates of your comment. Yeah? You may be giving more time, more be loving on your comment. Okay? You may be business people, organizers, reporters, and politicians. But really, you are mothers and brothers and fathers and sisters, aunts, uncles, and all of you are somebody's child. Yeah? You are somebody's child. Means you are coming from different source. So I am only a child, yet I know we are all part of a family. Now, we are living in the earth as a family, and as we are living, so we have to think about each of everything that means. Now, writer mean to say that as you are the earth is a family, okay? 5 billion strong. What 5 billion? Maybe the writer's time. The billion is of 500 crores of people in this world. Now the population is more grown and all are just like family. In fact, 30 million species strong and we all share the same here. Now 30 million species. 30 million is around 3 lakhs of species. Strong. And we all share the same air, water and soil. Everybody takes. As I breathe, everyone breathes. When I take water, everyone takes water. As I take soil, everybody takes soil. Everybody is each other related. Borders and governments. Now, suppose I am in India. We take out all living in India, okay? And this is our territory, and we are here. And governments will never change that. Okay? We are in this place. So I am only a child yet, I know. We are all in this together. Now, Suzuki Seven tells that we are all together, all the one family member. I am only a child, yet I know. We are all in this together. All in this together means all are together living and should act as one single word towards one single goal. Yeah, our aim should be single aim, single goal. Yeah, means we have to think to save the earth. We think that the earth is ours. We think that this, all the source, water, all the soil, all the land, all the things are everybody's purpose. We think that one goal to save the earth. Everybody thinks to think to save this life. Yeah. So what are the feelings? In my anger, I am not blind. And in my fear, I am not afraid to tell you what how I feel. Yes, as I am not blind, means I can see. And if I see, and if I have no fear to tell what how I feel. Yeah. So here Shobhan Suzuki dare to say, tourists are the dead. We have to think. We have not to fear, but to feel and we have to act. Now, in my country now, you guys are in this country, like Canada, okay? We make so much waste now. Sometimes waste is not good, okay? Which is bad. Let's see. We buy and throw away. Yeah, something is wasting very bad. Buy and throw away, and yet northern countries will not share with the needy. Northern country may be Canada. And we are very greedy people. We don't share. We just eat and waste our things. Yeah. Even when we have more than enough, we have sufficient food to eat. We have sufficient to enjoy the life. Yeah. We are afraid to lose some of our wealth. Afraid to share. Now, here we don't like to lose our wealth, and we are afraid to share means we don't give to any another one. We are so selfish that way. We are so greedy in Canada. Shobhan Suzuki tells in Canada, we live in privileged life. You know, privileged life means having special advantages or special rights. All the facility we have. What is privileged good life? With plenty of food, sufficient food, yeah, water and shelter, good house and good facility of water. We have watches, bicycles, computers and television, sets means all our requirements, all basic needs, all the things we have. Then here Shobhan Suzuki says, 2 days ago here in Brazil. Now, he meant to say that in other countries, as we have all facility, they have not. Yeah? We were shocked when we spent some time with some children living in the streets. Now, Brazil in South America. South America, Shobhan Suzuki had visited that place, and in that country he met small children. And what did he see there? And in this one child told us, एक बच्चा ने बोला क्या? I wish I was rich. काश मैं अमीर होता देखिए. What? If I were, I would give all the street children food. Street children is those who are unable to get food. They are unable to get all the basic needs. Street children, no house, no food, no facilities, no cycle, no mobile, no television, no any household items. Yeah. And food, clothes, medicine, shelter, love and affection. I would everything if I had money. A poor person can think. But here, those who have money, those who are too much aware, they have nothing to think. They are so much greedy here. Shobhan Suzuki thinks like that. We are so greedy here. If a child on the street who has nothing is willing to share, why are we who have everything still so greedy? Now those who are wealthy person, they are greedy. They don't like to share their property. They don't like to share their food. They don't like to live in Canada. They have all those facilities. But sometimes African country, some have like India also, they have many beggars, many people have no food, nothing else. And people are suffering a lot. They are starving. Husband and wife starving children. This is the suffering time, and here's Shobhan Suzuki speaks like that. I can't stop thinking that these children are my age. Yeah? My age means maybe they are elder, maybe more age. Yeah? That it makes a tremendous difference where you are born. A tremendous mighty difference that where you are born. That I could be one of those child living in the fabulous of view. Fabulous of view means a poor area in Brazilian city. They have no good house and they are in bad condition. Imagine कि मैं ऐसे घर में पैदा होता, how I will be suffering a lot. I could be a child starving in Somalia, in South Africa, in East African country Somalia. and bordering the Gulf of Aden and Indian Ocean. Very poor ridden and very pathetic life they had. A victim of war, they are always in battle, they are suffering a lot in the Middle East or beggar in India. Yeah, in India, too much people asking, begging, they have no money. Yeah, too much suffering a lot. If I were in that place, if I were in there, imagine that how I have to struggle. Yes, 750 feels, and I am only a child yet I know what Sharan Suzuki know. If all the money is spent on war, now sometimes better. Yeah, war brings cry, war brings suffering, war brings destruction, war brings tears. So instead of we fight, we have to use the money for better, good use. If all the money spent on war was spent on ending poverty, जो लड़ाई में पैसा को खर्चा नहीं करते, those who are not getting food, we will supply food for them. Instead of spending our money in war, definitely our earth will be changed. And finding environmental answers, now we will find the earth will be changed then. Environmental answer means earth will be changed then. What a wonderful place this earth will be. If instead of war, and wasting our money, if we think that those who are poor, they are very greedy, we should help, then we hope that earth will be a good place to live. How goodly Suzuki Sohan thinks about the betterment of the world. At a school, even in kindergarten, yeah, nursery classes, okay? You teach us. Now, as a junior teacher, they teach the children, kid that what type of good lesson they teach. To behave in the world. What behave in the world? अच्छे से जियो. Behave in the world means you have to like and love and to care and not to fight. You teach us, a teacher teach, small children are taught not to fight with others. Yeah, in the school, teacher teach them not to fight with others, but that student become a younger and elder one, fights. What the reason? To work things out, to respect others. Yeah, दूसरों का आदर करना, this respect. If we respect each other, then why the quarrel? Why the battle? To clean up our mess, not to hurt other creatures. Clean up our mess. Yeah, all the together, okay? Our friends, not to hurt other creatures. Yeah, just like animals, birds, trees. We are not to torture, but to nurture. They are taught to share in the school, in the nursery. Even in nursery, junior to all the school, everybody teach like this, to share, to give and everything. Not to be greedy. Not to be greedy, okay? So, then why do we go out? Now, Stephen Suzuki comments here. Go out means out of this line and do the things you tell us not to do. और जो नहीं करना चाहिए उसको करते हैं. Why? Question mark here. Why this is happening? That we are this suffering. Here the speaker speaks like that. Why? Do not forget why we are attending these conferences. Now in this meeting, as he came from thousands of kilometers to give the motivational speech to the world. Now Stephen Suzuki speaks. Why? Do not forget why you are attending this conference, this meeting. Who you are doing this for. We are your own children. We are your own children. Yeah. We are your own children. In the earth, everyone our children. Everybody. Yeah, we have also children. We are deciding what kind of world we will grow up in. Yes. What type of life we have. Parents should be able to comfort their children by saying, parent teach their children what? Everything is going to be all right. Papa, mommy, बच्चों बोलते हैं सब ठीक होगा. Yeah, very good. Everything is going to be all right. We are doing the best we can. We are trying our best to do all the best. Yeah. And it's not the end of the, we say that earth will be secure, all will go. But why starving? Why animals dying? Why oceans dying? Why trees will get their dangers? Okay? But I think But I don't think you can say that to us anymore. Are we even on your list of priorities? Are we even on your list of priority? Yeah, priority means good facility. Okay. My father always say, yeah, Suzuki Seven's father say, what? You are what you do, not what you say. That means action speaks louder than our speech. हम जो बोलते हैं, बोलना और करने में बहुत अंतर है. बोलना बड़ी बात नहीं है, लेकिन करना बड़ी बात है. What father of Suzuki say? You are what you do, not what you say. या बोलने से नहीं होता है. एक politician making more long speech, very nice, but in the practical life he doesn't do. His speech is meaningless. If a person does far better than person only speaks too much. Yeah, Seven Suzuki say very good line. You are what? You are what you say. His father says to him, and not what you say. Very nice. Well, what you do makes me cry at night. Now doing actions. Now Suzuki Seven's cry that people are not getting sufficient. Starving with no food, no shelter, nothing else. Animals are suffering, earth is not good conditions, environment is not good, and animals, CEOs are swimming in danger, everything, earth is not in good condition. Because we don't do, we just say. We say only, but in action we are not. Now, and we are suffering now, the earth is not bad, good condition because of this. Earth is bad condition, why? We don't do, we just speak that way. You grown-ups say you love us. या बड़े लोग जो बोलते हैं तुम हमको प्यार करते हो. You love us. I challenge you. Yes. Please make your actions reflect your words. If you say only, but in action you don't do, meaningless. You say that we love, then in action you don't do, then meaningless. Yeah. But in our actions we have to show. By saying is not sufficient. But the actions. That if you love this, we have to care. We love this animal, I love this environment, everything, then we have to care. Same is not here. At the conclusion of the chapter, here writer says, so when Suzuki Seven say that speech is not sufficient, but in action we have to do. Please make your actions reflect your words. Yeah, what I say, suppose I am a teacher, I only speak, but in my practical life I don't follow, then my speech is meaningless. But what I say, that I do also. Yeah? Sometimes we say that कि सच बोलना चाहिए, लेकिन हम झूठ बोलते हैं. What is the meaning? Yeah? What we say कि we have to tell truth, but in action also we have to tell truth. That is meaningful. Yeah? So many examples you can bring to clarify your explanation. Thank you for listening. Now at the conclusion of the chapter 7, Suzuki, we thank that those who are in the conference meeting, they listen to all this point and they like this speech. And I hope you that you also listen to my speech, and hope you that you are not only a listener but a doer. Means in action you do. I hope that will bless you, that will save our earth in time of this coronavirus danger. The earth is not in good condition, but you have to act, not to speak only, to save the earth. Let's live a good life. I hope you understood this chapter very well. Okay, thank you.